you talking about?
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys. What are you talking about?
Ryan and I and Coco are here today in Anza Borrego State Park,
2 hours away from San Diego.
exploring some mud caves.
Mud caves.
So we're in Southern California, we're exploring caves. Not what you think would be a normal cave, and not ice caves, but mud caves. Yeah, there are mud caves.
So there are caves all over this beautiful arid environment, and the caves are created simply because of water. It goes up, down, and then you continue to the light.
Like most things, water just annihilates over time the landscape. In this place, Anza Borrego, flash floods annihilate this mud.
So we're about to walk through another cave, and this one's actually pretty big, pretty dark. Buddy system, always two people. Hey, travel buddy. What's up? Safety first, always.
These arches, caves, and canyons are here because of the mud. When it rains here, when it floods here, the mud itself expands over 3 times its normal size, which allows it to stick together. It's really tacky and creates the landscape that you see here.
All the way up there? That's all mud. And what happens is that water and wind shape this area. And it happens every day. Every day wind blows, every day it might rain. We are in a desert. What do you see, Coco? A lot of mud.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining the adventure today. I had a blast, I always do. Make sure to click that like button, subscribe to this channel, check me out on Facebook, find me on Instagram, all that fun social media stuff. As always, go on a hike, get outside, experience life, do what you're supposed to do, learn to adventure. Adventure Hydrology.